Hi there, my name's Lisa Walton and I'm in Sydney, Australia. One of the few things that has come out of this dreadful pandemic is the virtual world that's sprung to life. The quilting world is no exception, and it's been wonderful to be able to connect with so many passionate quilters all over the world. With this need to connect has also come the desire to continue to learn, and I'm so pleased I've made the leap into the world of virtual teaching. I've been presenting my lectures and teaching my online classes since travel became impossible, and I'm amazed at how much fun it's been and the places I've been able to visit. I released my first on-demand class earlier this year with my very popular Fantastic Fusion class, and it's been so exciting to see the results of some of my students' work. Have a look at these. This workshop uses my fusing technique, and there's no sewing in the workshop until the quilting, so you're just free to play with your stash and create original quilts. It's so much fun. I'm also very pleased to announce my latest on-demand workshop, Aurora, which is behind me, which combines fabric painting, very easy piecing, just 4 seams, and simple quilting and even bobbin work. To top it off, you can embellish your masterpiece with beading, and I have some really easy stitches to help you add texture and zing. If you've always wanted to try some of these techniques, here's the opportunity. And if you don't want to create your own fabric this time, I also have the options to use some of the gorgeous commercial ombre fabrics which are now available. This project is perfect for beginners who want to branch out into something new. And don't we all want to do something different at the moment? These on-demand workshops are fun, full of videos, easy step-by-step instructions, and detailed close-ups. You have permanent access to the courses, as well as dedicated Facebook pages to stay connected to me and to other students. I love seeing finished projects posted and also watching the communities develop. Of course, I'm still running my live online classes too, so check out my website or Facebook page to see when I'm running these. I keep these classes small for individual attention, and we always have so much fun. I also work with guilds to provide these live workshops or lectures, so if you belong to a guild, please tell them about me. You might also be interested in my ebooks, which are available on my website too. I really hope we'll connect some way soon in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.